This isn't your typical green juice. This one is built for digestion, hydration, and full body reset. Welcome to Juice the Earth. Fennel is the foundation here. It supports digestion, reduces bloating, and helps your body actually absorb nutrients instead of just passing them through. Cucumber brings hydration on a cellular level. It's loaded with water, silica, and minerals that help flush the system and cool inflammation. If you're serious about resetting your body, grab the free 3-day detox guide in the description. Green apples balance everything out. They add just enough natural sweetness while supporting gut health with pectin. Celery is your mineral backbone. It helps support hydration, nerve function, and keeps your system moving the way it should. Lemon brings everything to life. It supports liver function and helps your body break down and eliminate waste more efficiently. And ginger. That's your ignition switch. It boosts circulation, supports digestion, and adds that clean, warming kick. When you combine all of this, you're not just making juice. You're giving your body what it needs to reset, rebuild, and function better. Healing doesn't have to be complicated. It has to be consistent. Juice the Earth.